Buckle up as we dive into the ultimate countdown of the best robot vacuum picks for spotless floors. From clever mapping to whisper-quiet operation, these robots bring big cleaning power into small packages. Our lineup proves that you don't have to break the bank to keep every corner pristine. Today, I'm going to be going over the best robot vacuum that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Roborock Q7M5. Roborock Q7M5 is built for people who want a capable, all-around clean with smart mapping and a dash of intimidation for pet hair, yet it remains approachable in use. This model brings together a thoughtful balance of power and control that matters in real homes where furniture, stairs, and daily detritus create a living puzzle. Inside the chamber of performance lies a suction system designed to rearrange dirt into the dustbin, delivering steady power up to approximately 4,200 pascals under deep cleaning conditions, which translates into confident carpet lift and dependable debris pickup on hard floors. Vacuum integrates with a robust app that guides setup, allows per-room cleaning, and creates a fatigue-free routine through scheduled cycles, while also featuring a voice assistant compatibility that simplifies control when hands are full. Its anti-tangle design helps the roller brush resist the common snag of long cords, rug tassels, and pet toys, making transitions between rooms smoother and reducing the risk of jams that can derail a cleaning run, which matters for busy households that demand reliability above all. Mapping, simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, and geometry-aware navigation empower the Q7M5 to remember room shapes, furniture footprints, and the location of charges without constant human intervention. On a multi-floor home, it can reassign clean maps when it detects a new level, maintaining a consistent strategy across stairwells and landing zones, a feature that saves time when you return to a previous space. The dustbin capacity is designed for daily use in moderate households, with crisp filtration systems that help trap fine dust while keeping maintenance manageable. The onboard water tank for mopping, where supported, complements the dry clean function without soaking sensitive rugs. A quieter mode provides a balanced experience for late evening sessions, and the self-adjusting suction adapts to floor type, yielding thorough picks without excessive noise. Long-term maintenance is simple, with replaceable brushes and efficient filters that can be swapped during a routine cleaning cycle, enabling a consistent standard of performance. Compared to the eufy C10, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Roborock Q7M5 excels in obstacle avoidance and map recall across multiple rooms, delivering a more expansive coverage footprint when the layout becomes complex and there are multiple thresholds to traverse. And it does so with a sense of polish that comes from a brand with a track record for long-term software support and hardware refinement. At number 4, we have the eufy C10. eufy C10 is positioned as a compact, quietly efficient option that emphasizes simple setup, dependable carpet and hard floor pickup, and an accessible maintenance routine, which makes it appealing to users who value ease of ownership as part of the daily cleaning ritual. C10 family integrates with a self-emptying station, allowing you to reduce the frequency with which you need to interact directly with the bin, a useful workflow for busy households or for those who dislike routine bin duties. Its navigation system focuses on stable mapping and reliable obstacle avoidance, ensuring the vacuum can glide through doorways, around chair legs, and past clutter with a calm yet capable demeanor, while maintaining a compact footprint that fits easily under beds and in closets. Suction performance is tuned for everyday debris, yielding solid cleaning on both tile and wood floors, with a balance that keeps energy consumption reasonable and battery use efficient. In practice, this translates into respectable runtime on a typical household, and the dustbin is straightforward to empty, with a filtration system that minimizes allergen escape during disposal. Self-emptying expansion unit adds a tangible reduction in maintenance tasks, particularly for households with frequently shedding pet hair or a large living area to cover, and the expansion kit is designed to be compatible with several models in the line. Software updates bring improvements to cleaning routes, voice prompts, and scheduling, while the unit remains friendly to non-technical users who want straightforward control without a steep learning curve. Comparisons with other vacuums in its price tier show the eufy C10's emphasis on quiet operation and consistent daily performance, a contrast to more aggressive cleaners that chase ultra-clean carpets at the expense of runtime. Compared to the Tikom L8000 Plus, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the eufy C10 offers a more compact build, a focus on silent operation, and a maintenance-first philosophy that prioritizes reliability over feature density. At number 3, we have the Tikom L8000 Plus. Tikom L8000 Plus brings to the floor a compelling blend of self-emptying capability, strong suction, and an adaptable navigation system that translates to reliable coverage across typical family layouts, including rooms with furniture and occasional clutter that would slow lesser models. L8000 Plus is designed to handle daily messes with an emphasis on convenience, offering a heavy-duty dustbin capacity that reduces trips to the basement or closet to empty debris, and a self-cleaning base that minimizes manual effort in maintaining the device, which is especially valuable in households with pets or children who create consistent tumble of dust, hair, and cracker crumbs. Its navigation is built around a robust sensing suite that maps walls, detects stairs, and recognizes obstacles, while also enabling multi-floor mapping so you can prepare a distinct cleaning plan for different levels. Powerful suction and improved brush design work together to pull embedded dirt from carpets and lift debris from hard floors with decisive action, while maintaining a relatively quiet operation compared with more industrial machines in the same class. You can schedule cleaning sessions across the week and control the robot through an app that offers zone cleaning, targeted room cleaning, and selective cleaning, which helps you tailor the process to specific needs. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to modular components and a straightforward filter system that can be replaced on a routine cycle, ensuring sustained performance over time. Compared to the eufy C10, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Tikom L8000 Plus typically wins on capacity and self-emptying convenience, while the eufy option shines in compact size and lower baseline noise levels. At number 2, we have the Roborock Q7L5. The Roborock Q7L5 continues the Roborock tradition of smart navigation, precise mapping, and adaptable cleaning strategies, all tuned to deliver a refined experience across daily tasks and weekend deep cleans alike. Suction system strikes a careful balance between power and efficiency, capable of delivering sustained performance on broad carpeted areas without drawing down battery life too quickly, and it handles hard floors with a gentle contact that reduces wear on delicate finishes. This model excels in multi-floor settings with a map library that stores room shapes, furniture footprints, and charging dock locations, so you can deploy a different routine for each level while keeping a cohesive overall plan. Its anti-tangle brush design reduces the snag of threads and cords that can plague looser mop setups, and the update-ready software helps the unit improve over time by learning the routes you prefer and the rooms you clean most often. Dustbin capacity is accessible and straightforward to empty, with a filtration system that does a good job of trapping fine dust while allowing easy disposal. And the mopping component is integrated in a way that supports light to moderate floor finishing without saturating rugs or causing overwetting. Q7L5, like its siblings, supports routine scheduling, voice assistant commands, and app-based remote control, which makes it easier to manage cleanings while you are away from home. Compared to the Tikom L8000 Plus, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Q7L5 emphasizes more precise mapping and longer-term software support, enabling a more predictable cleaning pattern that adapts to the home as it changes over time. At number 1, we have the generic Robotic Vacuum. This entry represents a practical, all-purpose cleaning companion designed to cover a wide range of floor types with dependable performance, balancing suction, navigation, and ease of use without leaning heavily into one specialty. Its core strength is consistent everyday cleaning, reliable pickup of crumbs, pet hair, and dust on hardwood, tile, and low-pile carpets, with a modest but effective suction system that keeps energy use reasonable and the battery life sufficient for standard apartment or small home layouts. Navigation on generic models tends to rely on practical sensors that map rooms and avoid obvious obstacles, providing a steady cleaning rhythm that you can trust to complete a typical cycle without frequent resets, while maintaining straightforward maintenance that doesn't require a deep dive into settings. Dustbin is accessible and simple to empty, and filters are designed to be replaceable on schedule, so you can maintain a healthy airflow with minimal hassle, a factor that matters more in households with dust sensitivity or higher dust generation. Customization options on generic units are often more limited than premium lines, yet they still offer smart features like scheduling, app control, and occasional voice command compatibility that keep the experience modern without overwhelming new users. Long-term value is clear. You gain a dependable, no-fuss cleaning partner that can handle daily tasks and stand in for more expensive models when needed, with firmware updates typically focused on stability and general performance improvements. Paired to the Roborock Q7M5, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the generic vacuum emphasizes broad accessibility and a simple, predictable workflow, trading some advanced mapping detail and obstacle tolerance for a straightforward, reliable experience that remains strong for many homes.